Welcome to the Checkout Guide. Today I'm coming with a simple Shopify fix that can save you from a huge discount losses. Many store owners create positive discount without realizing how big the discount become on expensive orders. So in this video, I'll show you how to stop losing money on Shopify discount using the next discount app. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First, we can go to the store and let's see. Okay, here we can click on any product. Then here I add some quantity. Okay, then click on add to cart and click on heart icon. Now the amount is $5,000. So suppose we giving 10% as off, then the discount value it save is $500. So it is a huge amount for discount. So to fix that, we can go to the Shopify admin dashboard and here in app section, click on next discount. Then here click on paid new discount. Here the discount type as discount code. Here give a code. Okay, now discount value as percentage. Your 10%. Then this is the capping amount. This is very important. That is the capping amount limit the maximum discount customer can receive even on large orders. So here I give 75 as capping amount. So it will stop at $75. Now the discount apply for all product. Then discount message it is for automatic discount. Then no minimum purchase requirement. Then customer eligibility for all customer. Maximum discount uses here you can choose anything. Here I'll leave it. Now you can set the date, start date to the end date. Okay. Now the product combined with, here I choose all option. Okay, that's it. Now we can copy this and here click on save. Then we can go to the cart section and here in discount, apply it. Click on apply. Okay, here we can see it only says $75. So it is fully controlled. Even though 10% should give $500 off, the customer only receive maximum discount of $75. So it is because here we give the capping amount as 75. So it limits the discount value. So that's it. That's how you can stop losing money on your Shopify discount using the next discount app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.